Microsoft is absolutely hell-bent on shoving AI down our throats, especially with recent updates. But let's be honest, some of us just want a responsive PC without an algorithm watching or learning what we do. Let's talk about a recent hero that has come to my attention named Remove Windows AI. This isn't just some script, it's a full-blown open source application to rebel against AI for Windows 11. Available on GitHub. Giving the power back to the people. If you're sick of Copilot lurking in your taskbar or terrified that the recall feature is snapping screenshots of your sensitive data, this tool is your new best friend. It's a community-driven powerhouse that lets you surgically remove or disable Microsoft's intrusive AI bloatware. I'll explain what this application can actually do. Copilot and recall removal. It completely removes Copilot and disables the recall feature so it can't run those annoying background tasks. App-specific cleaning. Remove Windows AI ruthlessly scrubs AI integrations from your photo app and strips those annoying flags from Microsoft Edge. Startup and tasks. Remove Windows AI removes the foundation for AI processes trying to launch at startup and deletes scheduled tasks designed to spy on you in the background. Safety and recovery. It's got your back with backup and revert modes. So if you do want the AI back, you can restore your original settings almost instantly. System-wide reach. It applies AI blocking rules for new user profiles automatically and scrubs deep system registry keys that most users didn't even know about. Advanced removal. It uses a trusted installer fallback method to bypass Windows' heavy-handed protection that normally stop you from deleting system files. The developers are not stopping either. As of January 6, 2026, the project is seeing active refinement. These developers that have programmed the app have been trying to eliminate bugs, fixing package installation checks, and making the trusted installer fallback more reliable than ever. This way, it can bypass the Windows checks, so it enables you to have control when Windows wants control, or Microsoft in that matter. They've even added safeguards to stop you from accidentally breaking things within your PC, along with handy tooltips so you know exactly what you're doing or what you're about to do. Please look for the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, comments, please leave them in the comments. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up.